In this video, I'm going to show you how to customize toast position on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out. You will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features completely for free, such as an amazing wallet tracker, a top-notch Twitter tracker, a polls and P&L tracker. They also have a reward system which will give you Solana back just for basically simply trading. And then you can also trade perpetuals. You can use their turbo mode for faster fills. You can use their presets for buy and sell settings, where you can adjust your slippage, priority, and bribe fees. You can use their amazing filters over here, etc. So there's a lot of things. Make sure you check it out. Again, you will not regret it. Link down below. So to actually customize the toast position on Axiom from the new update, what you're going to have to do is you want to click on these notification settings at the bottom right, and here you'll see toast position. So you can either have it top left, top center, top right, bottom left, bottom center, or bottom right. So you can customize these things over here, and then you can just click on done, and then it's gonna get applied to your dashboard over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.